I dropped off chilaquiles to my brother, and he traded me an ice cream. Thanks, brother.